What you doing? You wanna know what I'm doing? Photoshoot prep. You know what you're gonna be doing now? Photoshoot prepping with me. Hi guys, it's Mara. Welcome back to my channel. I am extremely hungry. All I can think about is Chipotle. So I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I'm also picking cat hair off of my leggings. Nice. Every photo shoot I do is different. Sometimes there are hair and makeup artists already there, so I don't have to do any of that. Sometimes the outfit's already picked out, so I don't have to do any of that. But this photo shoot, it's all on me. I'm gonna do it all. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it all. You're welcome. Hi, Chai. I guess let's go pick out some outfits. So because I am one glittery, pink, obnoxious human being, I normally take this bag with me to all my photo shoots, and like glitter falls off like everywhere. Like the back of my car will just be covered in glitter. And whatever studio I go to, I leave behind like this nice little trail of glitter, and I think it's cute. It's like a little thing. Okay, now that I have all of that packed, tomorrow morning I will be doing my own makeup and hair. So what I do is I get this little bag out, has my name on it, very cute. Thanks, Grandma. And in the morning, as I do my makeup, every product that I use goes straight in here to come with me, just in case like I need a touch up, or just in case in the middle of the shoot we're like, let's change colors of everything. I'm gonna go along with the rest of my day, but I'm going to pick you back up later when I'm doing my night routine, and I'll try to make like an aesthetic put together video of that. Maybe, I don't know. Hi guys, it's actually after my shoot now because I just did not have the time to continue filming this morning. But my shoot went well. I am home now. I will see you guys next week in another video. If you want to keep in contact with me or follow me, the links to my other social medias are in the description below. And don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you next week in a new video. I can't do the other half of my heart, so you're gonna have to do it.